Let's now go to Romania's Minister of Public Finance, Sebastian Vladescu, joining us live. Sir, thank you so much for joining us. Are you confident that actually the austerity measures that you've put in place will enable your country to get out of recession safely and grow?
Well, good morning. Yes, I'm confident. Romania faced a very difficult situation last year and this year. We have to manage a lot of challenges, but my feeling today is that we are on the right way. All the difficult measures that we implement, wage cut in budgetary sector, 25% for the last 5 months of this year, increase of VAT from 19% to 24%, balance our budgetary revenues, and our budgetary deficit will stay under 7% this year.
When do you believe that you will comfortably
please.
come out of recession and start growing?
Well, we already did it. The second quarter of this year, we have a very, very small growth. First time after 6 quarters. On the 7th quarter, we have a 0.03% growth. So I'm optimistic that we are on the right way.
Minister, I also wanted to ask you about funding, because I know Romania has had quite a difficult time in raising funds domestically. I know you want to go to the markets abroad and issue a euro-denominated bond. Are you confident that there's enough appetite for this kind of offering out there?
Well, the first bond issuance this beginning of this year was a success. If you remember, we collect 1 billion euro. We expect to be also successful end of this year, and Romania will continue to finance the budgetary deficit in a balanced way on the internal market, Minister, and the external market in the next years.
How much do you want to raise, and what kind of maturity will you be offering for that bond?
Well, for sure maturity will be over 5 years or minimum 5 years. The volume will be decided at the right moment.
What is your biggest fear for this year? You're so linked to the rest of the European economy. Are we going to see a double-dip recession?
No, not for Romania. My biggest fear for this year is the risk to consider that difficult times are end and to be more optimistic than necessary. In
Minister?
My opinion, what we've done... Yes, please.
We have to leave it there, Minister Vladescu. Thank you so much for joining us on today's show.